factory. We just did a couple laps with Adam. Man, I can just feel all the freedom.
We make the strings louder.
Alright boys, it is drift day, so got the Corvette all loaded up. Got wheels, tires, tools, all that stuff. I have one set of wheels and tires in Adam's trailer ready to go. So basically have a 3-hour drive. I'm gonna stop and pick up my buddy Navo, and have to fill up a couple times because this thing eats all the fuel. But yeah, let's go. Alright guys, pulling up to the Freedom Factory. This is the first time I think there's actually been spectators here other than car show thing. Adam's rig. He's gonna be driving the E36 tonight. I think Taylor Ray's here too. Or I know he is, I just don't know where. I wanna go check up on his FUM and see how that thing's doing. Check out his Miata, but stoked to be out here. We're gonna go check out the track layout real quick. All right guys, it's a big day for the Corvette. Ooh! 20,000 miles, it finally hit it.
It did it on the track.
All right, guys, so that kind of concludes our night at the Freedom Factory. What did you think? Corvette?
A lot of fun. It's badass.
So the track is really cool. There's a lot of options to do. Like, you want to do the bank, you want to do the infield, you want to go forward, reverse, do whatever. So it's really cool. It'd be cool to get this thing set up, do like a figure 8.
Yeah.
And just have it keep going the whole time. But yeah, being out here, so I brought basically 3 sets of tires, the ones that are on the car, and then 2 in here, and then 2 in Adam's truck, and we didn't even go through the ones on the thing. So
Still brand new.
that concrete that's in the center of the track for like the burnouts and stuff, I feel like it's gonna be hard to pop tires on that when we actually go to do like burnouts and stuff here. But yeah, this thing's I freaking love this Corvette. We got here a little bit late, but overall this was a blast. Really enjoying the Corvette stuff. So now we got to make the journey back to Orlando. We got to drop Navo off. So I am flying back to Colorado tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything loaded up here in this thing. Basically my little, it's almost like we're on like a little mini drift week.
Yeah. Yeah, basically.
So it is the day after here in Florida. A little bit of a rainy day. My flight leaves tonight, but man, the Freedom Factory is just such a cool place. You know what Cleetus has got going on over there for you know, not only the spectators, but what he's doing for the sport in general is just really freaking cool. And it's cool to be able to go and use that facility, you know. And last night seeing, you know, the people in the stands, you know, they're selling beer, they're selling hot dogs, selling food, doing all that stuff. People were cheering, and I tell you what, there's a lot of people that were there for the drifting, that like drifting, and then there was, I would say, 10 times the amount of people there that didn't know anything about drifting and were there just for Cleetus and what he was putting on. And it's just crazy, the energy from the crowd at that event versus like other specific drift events where you go to and it's like, you know, there's your normal spectators, but there's just not that energy. So it's definitely cool to be a part of it. I'm definitely stoked about the Corvette being down here right after Drift Week. I wasn't sure if it was the right thing to do by like leaving it down here, if it was going to be in the way. But I think I made the right decision. It's nice. It's got AC. It goes really fast in between tracks, and it's really nice. It's nice and smooth. It's reliable. Literally, I haven't had to do anything to it other than just the maintenance of doing the tie rods. So basically just put gas in it and, you know, made sure the lug nuts were tight. And that was my drift day yesterday. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up pretty much here in Florida. Just gonna hang out with the guys here a little bit today over at Adam's shop, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one back in Colorado working on the Evo. So see you guys later.